Now, sir, one of the things that in the last few times that we have chatted is that you have been extremely cautious about the primary market and the overall activity that we are seeing in the IPO market. Now, we have a flurry of IPOs this week, and today we have a big one coming out in IREDA, which will be the first government offering since LIC came out back in May 2022. Now, this is a pure play green finance company, and even the green finance space, the renewable energy space, has been gaining a lot of traction. Is IREDA a buy? Should one look at IREDA as a good long-term bet?
So it is raining IPOs, honestly, and I think specifically talking about IREDA, it's after a long that a government company has come out in the market. It's obviously an OFS plus fresh issuance, which the government of India will offload some stake out there. Look, I think it's a very, very attractive space. And plus, whatever the good part about government companies coming out in the public market is that they always leave something on the table. At around 32 rupees, which is the upper price band, honestly, the price to book earnings will be around 1.2 times, and the P multiple will be around 6 times, which is fairly reasonable. And I think there is a lot which the bankers have left on the table for retail investors to make. However, I am not very sure how much allotment will the investors get. The issue size is fairly small, and but with a long-term view also, if one has to enter in post the IPO, even then I think it makes sense given that the space is very niche and the government has very ambitious goals around green financing. Though you can always contest that the balance sheet health compared to REC and PFC of this company is relatively weaker. However, the NPA provisioning has been reducing for last couple of years, and hopefully, I think things should improve on the profitability front and the NIM front also further. But yes, for a long-term investment purpose and even for listing gains, I think it's a shouting buy.